afternoon, sir. This is Lekna. Today I'm going to present about Animal Farm or Minor Farm, which written by George Orwell in 1945. This book represents the Soviet Union during communist rule and the animal farm began after a revolution. Like the Russian revolutions, and it quickly developed its own form of the government and structure. Still, animal farm is relevant in today's world. As you know, after Mr. Jones forgot to feed the animal in his drunken stupor, they decided to chase Mr. Jones and his farmhand off the land, and the animal start to redapt the farm as the animal farm. The animal paint the principle of animalism on the wall of the barn, which include whatever go up on four legs or have wings is a friend. No animal shall kill any other animals, and all animals are equal. But the problem is the animal can remember of all the commandments, nor can they read. However, the rift formed between Snowball and Napoleon as they struggled for power and influence. Not long after Napoleon takes charge, the commandments are rewritten again. The commandments are changed and the law becomes no animal shall kill any other animal without cause. Or all animals are equal, but some any other animal are equal than others. See, in this 2020, all countries are equal, but some countries are more equal than others. One only has to reconsider nuclear power and weapons to see how some countries such as America and Russia are permitted to develop and enrich plutonium while other countries such as Iran and Pakistan are not permitted to do so. Why is this the case? According to George Orwell 1945, Animal Farm author, the pig use their leadership with corruption to control all the other animals to impress them. Anyway, I chose 3 points which this paper will focus on. Power is given, how power is taken and used for the benefit of the one and a few only, and the dreams and hopes of the many. Turning to the first point, the power is given to the pig by all the other animals on manor farm or animal farm under the pretense of keeping Mr. Jones away. Over time, the other animals are driving to work as slaves with small rations. One can look at the various democracy in 2020 to see in this action. The fourth enemy is a strategy to keep the individual or the few in power. Once the power has been given, it is difficult to get it back to the people. 2. The selfishness of the pigs. As the power is for their own benefit, Napoleon gained his sole authority over the farm after driving Snowball out. Another example is when squirrel convince the other animals that pigs has to eat apples and drink milk for everyone's good. Is it necessary for the government employee to drive lazy jeeps? Animal farm resonates throughout all society, including Cambodia. All Cambodians are equal, but some Cambodians people are more equal than others. The pig got power and used it for themselves. 3. Dreams and hope are for all the animals on the farm which I drawn to. They believe the pig, specifically Napoleon. The pigs identify the dreams, hope, and fears of the other animals and use them to manipulate them. These actions still happen in countries around the world. The pigs use the other animals as leader exploit society today. They make the animals, the populations, believe that their dreams and hope can come true and shared by all. However, they are not meant to keep control. In conclusion, the above 3 points of the power being given, the power being used for benefit to one or few, and the exploitations and dream and hopes of the many still happen around the world today. The only difference is that the pig now wear suits and uniform or humans and uniforms. All humans are not equal, and that is an animal farm today. So thank you for listening. Thank you, sir.